Hey guys, welcome to Dare to Excel. Today I'm giving you 6 college tips and tricks to make college easier for you. Tip number 1, rent your books online. The college bookstore sells for outrageous prices. You can save thousands in college by renting online from Chegg or Amazon. If you want to save even more, use ebooks, but you'll have to bring a laptop to every class with you. Tip number 2, make sure your advisor is a professor in your major. Some colleges pair students with random advisors. Even though this advisor might be polite and helpful, they may not know your curriculum by heart. A professor in your major is more likely to understand your curriculum, so they'll be able to help you structure your schedule better. Tip number 3, go to bed on time. I know this really sounds like a mom and dad tip, but it really does make a difference. Now, let's be real, we're all going to stay up to 3 or 4 a.m. sometimes, but don't make it a habit. You can get behind really fast. Just ask some of my friends. Tip number 4, use YouTube as a starting point. When you're really confused about a class topic or a paper you have to write, start with YouTube until you get a baseline understanding of the subject. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about college subjects, so you'll probably find a video about what you're looking for. YouTube even helped me ace macro and microeconomics, so it can probably help you out in some way. Tip number 5, go to the library to study. This has happened to all of us, and it's probably going to happen to you too. You really need to study, and you start to, until your friends knock on your dorm room door and ask you to play Overwatch, and that ends up turning into an all-night thing. Then you get behind in class for the next week, or you nearly fail a test. So to fix that, go to an isolated place that you can actually study. The library is a really quiet place, and it has resources if you need them. Tip number 6, watch your debt. Everyone tries to hide from their student debt, but in reality, you just can't. Set up an online account through your student loan agency. Then, every semester or so, check how much student debt you've racked up. Make small payments if you do have a part-time job, or even a summer job. Some student loans collect interest while you're in school, so you want to start paying on that as soon as possible. Lastly, here's a bonus tip. 2 years of fun, 2 years of focus. College is about having fun, while increasing your skills to potential employers. If you go through college the right way, you can do both. The first 2 years, try new things, meet new people, and go to parties, while staying on top of your GPA and your classwork. The last 2 years, cut down on partying, do more research into your major, and reach out to potential employers. Do enjoy yourself, but never forget, you're at college to increase your chances of starting a great career. Those are my 6 college tips and tricks and a bonus. Thanks for watching, and go look at college.